Welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. Shawarma pickles or Arabic pickled veggies. These tangy and crunchy pickles are super easy to make at home. They pair perfectly with shawarma, kuboos, falafel, like that. For mixed pickles, use vegetables of your choice for a delicious side dish. The main attraction is it will take only 5 to 10 minutes to make this. These are the ingredients. The vegetables we used were carrots and mango and green chili. You can use your own choice. Now chop the carrot and mango into long, thin pieces and into each one add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, salt to taste and mix it. If you keep this closed for few minutes, it will be more tastier. Into a hot pan add the carrot and into that add little water. Adding green chili will make it little spicy. After it starts to boil, add little vinegar and salt to taste. Now keep this closed for 1 to 2 minutes till the carrot is half cooked. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, and if you liked our recipe, please do hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. While subscribing, please click on the bell icon to get our notifications. Now our pickled carrots is ready to serve. See? A very simple and easy recipe. Next is the mangoes. Instead of mangoes, you can use cucumber. This will take less than 1 minute to make it. Now into a hot pan, add the chopped mangoes and add little water. Be careful that you do not overcook this. Then into that add little salt, and here vinegar is not needed. Then close it and see, within 1 minute it's ready to serve. Serving this hot will be more tastier. Please do drop in your comments in the comments box, and it is valuable for us. Thank you.